Excel transfer operation. If you have client and stock records in Excel file, you can transfer them to ERP program. Let's look at the process of importing client from Excel. First, let's examine the sample Excel file. You need to have a unique client code field for the clients to transfer them. Open other processes, Excel transfer, import client from Excel. Select Excel file from Excel file path. If the first line contains the title as in the example, select this mark. Select the worksheet which your client list is in from here. At the same time, you can also update the information of your client cards from the Excel transfer screen. The program makes the current client control from the client code. You can select from here what should be done if there is a current client. You can also select from here what should be done if there is no current client available. The information you want to import from Excel should be selected from the transfer column. In the Excel column, you also select the column that corresponds to that file in Excel. After the selection is completed, we transfer to the program with the Transfer Data button. You can check your clients that you imported from the client list. Importing stock cards process is the same with the client card import. If you make your selections like in the client card and press Transfer Data button, the transfer will be done.